Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x channel. Today we will be looking as how we can convert from text to speech and also to compose any new song with music. Okay, and we will be using ChatGPT to assist us in composing the scripts so that we can get good scripts. Okay, so the name of the tool is Voicemod. Okay, so now let's go to the tool. This is the Voicemod. Okay, so you can download it or you can use online also, online mode. Okay, you can look at other features. So here you can see, right, there is a text to song. Okay, so click over here. So okay, and you will get it to this page. You can land up in this page. So I'll be clicking as generate song free. Okay, so you will come to this page. Okay, and what is your song? Okay, you can choose your song. Okay, like whichever you are comfortable, because these are all like AI generated part actually. Okay, I am just selecting like Leviate. Okay, and okay. Okay, from the scratch, it is asking. Next will be, these are all AI singers. Okay, so you can choose your own, like this will be like pop voice, and this will be like if you are a means a yeah, song composer, you will come to know, right? Different types of pitches are there. Okay, with a lush tone, a ringing presence, and elegant and mellow tone. So I will be using this Amy. Okay, your our choice. Okay, and so now we have chose the song. Now we have chose the singer. Next, we need to present the lyrics. Okay. So, okay, I'll be going to this lyrics. Okay. So I'll be using ChatGPT. Okay. For composing, I am just asking a 4 line. Give me a 4 line song about the AI engineer. Okay. Give me a 4 line song script for AI engineers. Okay. Let's see. It should not be too much. Okay. So let's see what it is. Sure. So 4 line in a world of code and okay, this is the 4 line. Just to want to for understanding purpose, I'm copying it and I'll be going here. Okay, and I am okay. This is the one. Just I want how it is like that. Okay, so now it is creating the song. Okay, so it may take some time. It is creating. It's a recording. Let's see. By the meantime, guys, one important update, as you all aware, right, that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave. Okay, so AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. All the installation steps and other AI tools will be explained detailed in our Be10x program. So make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so if you go over here, the song is ready by the meantime. Go over here, you can see, right, all the this Be10x.in, and you can see what are the upcoming workshops like office hacks and Power BI, and you can choose register, and you will come to know when will be the next thing, and who are the tutors, and you can see the reviews, right, and why to join this course. All the details are here, so don't miss to join this course, guys. Now let's go back here.
Hey Aditya, I'm working in this office since the last 5 years and you just recently joined and you have a salary 5 times as me. How is that possible, man?
It is because I'm using AI tools and ChatGPT to automate my work and I'm working 10 times as compared to you. That's why I'm getting paid 5 times as compared to you.
That is super, man. Can you please teach me the same so that I can grow my salary as well?
Absolutely, I can.
So now the song is ready. Okay, so just to see the script is also see in a world of code and data streams like that it will be okay. So I'll be just using this.
In a world of code and data streams, we design dreams through layers, and those are our dreams. Engineering,
Here the
futures in silicon beams.
all right, whichever things you can use it. Okay, so this is one. Okay, now you might have heard it. Same thing you can do for your own choice actually, and you can create content also. Like if you want to convert from text to like say upload a song, create a song, generate speech from text. Okay. Okay, let's see. Again, it will be asking, so whom do you want? I can choose which voice I want actually. Okay, and then I'm writing the text. Welcome to 10x learning. Okay, now I'm generating, we'll see. Okay, it was generated, let's see.
Welcome to Be10x Learning.
Yeah, you can see it, right? Once again, do it.
Welcome to Be10x Learning.
Okay, so hope you enjoyed this session, guys. Actually, this is one of the AI tool, and you can use our ChatGPT for various purposes. See, now it has composed the song actually. Like that, you can do various things. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Take care. Bye bye.